Hi, my 2 years as a student teacher in elementary school was amazing. I came into Gordon College with many concerns. As you know, everything I went through before I came to Gordon College with my father, and thank God everything's fine. Uh, Actually, when I started teaching, all my concerns went away, and I think that at the beginning, my main concern was how am I going to be when I stand in front of a classroom? Well, actually, those fears went away real fast. I got into the classroom and I immediately felt comfortable. And it's something that I think that took a lot of energy, but I'm glad I did it. My biggest fear in life was starting something new. I hate starting things, and this is a major, major issue for me. Uh, but I don't know, it was something I never experienced before. Coming into a classroom, coming into college, I didn't know what I had to do and what am I going to learn. But now, after 2 years, I can definitely say that this is where I'm supposed to be. And I'm so happy for that because I didn't know what to study in the beginning. I thought about going to study anthropology, and everybody told me, no, what are you going to do with that afterwards? And I don't know. And then I said, well, I love kids and I love English, so why not combine them? And that's what I did. Since I came into the classroom for the first time, I saw that, okay, it's something that is kind of a second nature for me. So that wasn't my biggest problem. My biggest problem was in writing lesson. I thought and I thought and I thought about it. What am I going to do? What are the activities I'm going to give them? And thoughts ran through my mind. And I wasn't sure if what I wrote was good enough for that lesson. But after 2 years, I can see that every class is different. And sometimes you plan something and it doesn't go as you planned. Luckily for me, I learned how to be flexible in my lessons. Another thing that was an obstacle for me was was me wanting to be perfect. After talking to you a lot, I learned that practice makes perfect, and I shouldn't be so concerned about if I won't get an A and if my grades won't be enough, what am I going to do? And I just thought that, okay, now it's the time to let go. I have to be flexible, not only in the lesson plans I made, but in my personal life. And this was kind of a revelation for me. And it's very important. And it's you I need to thank for that. So thank you. Well, after talking about all that, um, I have to think about the fact that I not only grown in age, but I matured. And I think that one of the key elements of being a grown up or a mature person is learning how to cope with things. And I think I coped with a lot of things. In the first year, I didn't quite like the practice teaching I had, but I made up for that, or Gordon made up for it, in my second year. I had an amazing, amazing, amazing cooperating teacher, an amazing school. And I learned so much about myself in that school, and it's just amazing. In the second year, I had a chance to teach groups of fourth graders. This is one of them, and this is another one, and another one, and last but not least, Ramot Elementary School really gave me the confidence I needed First of all, because I had an amazing cooperating teacher, and the second thing is that they let me be a substitute teacher, which gave me a lot of confidence. Like, hey, look, somebody is really confident of you. You can do whatever you want. And that really made a lot of difference for me. And that's what changed me the most in these 2 years. Um, the fact that I had people that believed in me, and it was just amazing. Well, this is the school I'll be teaching next year. It is called Sulam Tzor. It is at Gesher Aziv Kibbutz. As opposed to the previous year, this is really a new start because I never taught middle school before. Actually, I'm going to be with Haley, and we met our cooperating teacher for next year, and she's amazing. She doesn't teach in conventional ways, but through drama, stories, mimicking. I was very excited actually to meet her because I didn't know who am I going to meet. Am I going to like her? Is she going to like me? Like, is she going to be tough? Will she understand what we need to do? Um, Actually, I'm really, really, really looking forward for next year because although my biggest fear is starting things, this school really, really excites me. I'm excited about the school itself, about being with Haley, about the cooperating teacher, and I hope that everything will go well. And I just want to continue to improve. And wow, I can't believe those 2 years are over at elementary school. I'll miss everybody. And I'm excited. That's it.